and welcome to Unleash the Power of Paid Ads in 3 Simple Steps. My name is Meg. I am a training specialist here on the Keller Williams University Tech Training Team. Today, I'm going to showcase how you can connect your Facebook business page or pages in Command to leverage paid ads. Let's hop over to Command and get started. In order to connect your Facebook business page in Command to leverage paid ads, first log into your Command account. Once in your Command account, you're going to select that Campaigns applet on the left-hand side and immediately select the Paid Ads tab at the top. Once selecting that Paid Ads tab, we're going to select the Quick Start button to get into where we need to connect our Facebook business page. Once we've entered our Paid Ads dashboard here under Quick Start, we're immediately going to navigate to the left-hand side and select Assets. Click that arrow drop down to see the section labeled Facebook Pages. Please note, you must have a Facebook business page created in order to leverage Facebook and Instagram ads. This is the only page that needs to be connected here in Paid Ads. If you've never connected a page before, you'll see this Start Here screen. And as a best practice, be logged into your Facebook account on the same browser as Command for easier access connecting those pages. We'll hit Continue with Facebook. Once you've selected that, you'll be greeted by this pop-up. Choose the businesses you want Campaign Connect to access. It will default to opt in all current and future businesses, and that is perfect. We can select Continue to move forward. The next question will be choose the pages you want to connect. I'm going to select opt in to all current and future pages for easier access going forward. Selecting Continue again. It will show you that you can review what this connection will be requesting permission to do, and you will hit Save to move forward. Once that is good to go, you're going to select Got it, and then Facebook business pages will appear right here in Command that you are able to connect. Please note it does say select a page below. What this means is if you have multiple Facebook business pages you'd like to connect here in Command, you need to add them one by one. You cannot connect multiple pages at one time. So for example, Alyssa, KW Enablement Team, I'm selecting just that page. And to connect it here, I would select Alyssa KW Enablement Team button. Once I've hit that selected button, this should be the status we see. Congratulations, Facebook connectivity with your page is all set up and working properly. Now, from here, we can choose to set this business page as our default moving forward. It will leverage this business page for all Facebook and Instagram paid ads we do moving forward by default. We can quickly go back to the dashboard, or if this was not the Facebook business page you meant to connect in Command, you can simply hit Unlink and it would remove that business page from your connections. Now, when you select Facebook business pages, you will see that one page already here connected with the status linked. I trust this was helpful to show you how easy it is to connect your Facebook business page here in Command. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions for myself or the team, please reach out to us at learncommand@kw.com. If you'd like to attend live training with our team, go ahead, scan that QR code